or this can be done collectively after, for a particular set of orders over a week or over a period of time or based on some other criteria. And they can be collected in a freight settlement document and sent over to ERP for the final billing to the customer or invoice verification with the couriers. So this document, if you look at this, this has all the different charges which are being sent over to ERP. And if you click on any of those, the user can also see the complete details of how these charges were calculated, which freight agreements were referred to. So there's like complete traceability between all the different sort of documents which are involved in this entire transportation process. So that sort of is sort of an end-to-end flow of how you can start from a customer order and you can sort of plan the order, how you can select the best couriers, how you can sort of execute the transportation, and get updates from the couriers very easily, and you can do the complete charge calculation on that particular order, and send the charges over to ERP for settlement, billing, and you can sort of complete the flow on this. And there are other additional dashboards also available on top of this, where you can sort of monitor freight costs, you can monitor courier performances, and you can actually go through multiple analytics related to that. So that's the demo. Let's just come back to the presentation and.
Yeah, I think a lot of our colleagues are already informed about the EWMS system. As you see, EWM warehousing is not new to SAP. We are there almost for the last 17, 18 years doing various warehouse functionalities are there in our SAP products. Right from 93 onward we have it. Now what actually changes is what Chaitanya has just now mentioned you guys. The warehousing system in a ERP or enterprise application is never is expandable or never able to meet the customer requirements. So from various inputs and the analyst input, we finally decided around 2005 that we need a best of breed warehousing solution which takes care of like aspects like your decentralized management, or it needs kind of various other functionality which Kumar talks about that what we need in the systems. Now that's exactly what we need, is that we need a separate SCM platform or a system which is expandable or meet customer requirement, which can handle some like the figures what Chaitanya mentioned, like probably 840,000 delivery items processed a day, or which needs probably kind of 0.2 microseconds to process in a handheld devices. So these are the figures what you need to meet. That's the reason we decide to jump from the existing enterprise-oriented warehousing to a specialized best-of-breed solution. Okay, in this, the main reasons why these are the main reasons, I'm going to go through all of them, but mostly it is the decentral concept which helps you to run your logistics process without really depending upon your enterprise application. You can run irrespective of an ERP system. Generally, logistics departments in various organizations, they don't need any dependency on the ERP system except the finance or billing part of it. So that's the reason we need this kind of system. So there are different ways you can use this external warehouse management system. You can have it in your ERP system if you don't want to invest more on your hardware, or you can install in a separate supply chain management system, which is what we recommend, so that it can take care of your future requirements. It can also independently be installed having any ERP system what you like. We don't need a ERP system only to be SAP system. In fact, 20% of our customers who are already implemented, they don't have SAP ERP, but still you can have it. So these are different implementation options. And as you see, you have all this ERP function is already there in your system. What you need to have is what Chaitanya and Kumar just mentioned. You need a cross-docking, you need an end-to-end visibility, you need one solution, right, not only within your four walls, which also need to take care of your yard applications. And also like a dog door appointment, or there is a carrier want to appoint and take appointment to bring his dog, your trucks, whether you are all vehicle appointment, vehicle management system, all this functionality which you need in a separate application system. So that's what the extended warehouse management system will do for your application. Okay. Now, very briefly, if you have already a old legacy system, or you have very complex warehouse management system where the processes you need very frequently you change it, or where it needs to handle, as I say, large number of volumes of your line items, or you need mainly a decentral concept, then EWM is the answer. I don't go through all of them, but some of the key features are like whether you need for a complex warehouse application or you need specifically to integrate with all your advanced technology, such as till now you never have a system which can talk to any PLC systems. Any kind of automated warehouse where you need your PLC system talk to your a warehousing system where every information which runs in your automation system directly you can monitor them. Or you need a pick by voice system which is very popular in the retail application. Or you need a kind of pick by line application which is again nowadays very popular among system. All these applications which are generally till now supported by various partners need to be integrated to your one EWM system which can give you complete end-to-end view. So these are some of the kind of your functionality which you will get it. Plus you get a extensive dashboards and monitoring capability. That's how you can judge whether your warehouse by implementing a application where warehouse management system, whether it's adding value to your business or not. So all these dashboards, whether using through BW or our tools like BobJ, you will get the various dashboards we provide. You can design your own dashboards. So that will give you a complete figure like how to monitor it. I thought to give you one of the latest application is the dock door scheduling or loading appointment management. So these are the, recently most of the, right from Tyson Foods and many of the retail customers where there are large number of trucks coming to their applications and they want to, without having a lot of damage and all that thing, they want to monitor it. So this is one of the applications we recently developed. This is very popular among them. So you can install it independent of your even EWM system if you want only a dock door scheduling system. So I think we can quickly give you a brief demo and then we'll talk about the various customer things. So, and we don't have time to go through the, I'll just show you the iPhone demo which we developed. What Neeraj has said that SAP is investing heavily in the mobile applications or this is one of the tools which is one of the functionality which we're developing for iPhone. It's available with any mobile phones in fact. Where any carrier can go to his application, log into your system, he will see all the available timings. He will go and choose whatever time suitable to him, and as soon as he chooses the particular time, it will update your system, he will get an appointment log, and then the carrier can, system will immediately generate a booking ID in a whatever 2D format or any kind of RFID format. It will also show him that where exactly that location of your warehouse, so that the carrier can reach your location right point of time, and then automatically it will add it to your iPhone calendar or your Outlook calendar wherever you have. So this is just a glimpse of what kind of application or what application can bring it, help you with this. Similarly, we are investing heavily also in HANA. In our next versions, you will get most of your order processing functionalities coming in HANA application. In the HANA application, so wherever we have till now, whatever information we collected from the customers, like processing the wave in the night time. Nowadays, a lot of customers run their waves in the night time to avoid that long delay. So those kind of functionality, which takes a lot of resource consumption functionality, will bring it to HANA. So you will see them in our next releases as well. Before just closing, I thought to give you some figures. We are almost, EWM is now implemented in 9 industries. Again, this product has various industry flavors. For retail, you have several applications like merchandise cross-docking, which is not required in other applications, and integration with your oil and gas, or integration with the manufacturing industry. So for every industry, we have a different flavor for this product, and generally, this product is available as an IS solution. Right now we have crossed, the number of customers crossed 150 who are already implemented, and the other list is already reaching 500, the number of customers who bought the products. And as you see, the product is accepted across the industry, right from retail to oil and gas to automotive. Almost all automotive customers now globally have kind of EWM in their thing. So I think this is briefly, I think we be able to give you a flavor of this. With this, I think I'm able to